Hello everyone, this is 6th lecture of this series Programming in Python, and today we are going to discuss map and split function in Python, and we will learn how to take space separated inputs. So let's get started. So what is a map? So map is a function which returns an iterator, and in map function we have to pass two parameters, function and an iterable, such that it changes every item in this iterable using this function. So now let's see an example. Suppose we have to convert elements of this array to their squares. So you can see for this array we have to convert to this array 1, 16, 4 and 25, such that all these are square of all these. So what we would do, without using map we can convert this array to this array. Just we have to take ai equals to ai into ai and print a, then it will convert the array elements to square. So now let's see how we can do this using map. So earlier we saw that in map function we have to pass two parameters, such that the first is our function and second is an iterable. So the iterable is this list, and now we have mapped this iterable to this function, and this function returns square of a number. So you can see we are passing n and returning n square. And so now if you print a, then it will throw this output like found map at some address. But since we saw that it returns an iterator, so it will not return a list by default. So we have to convert this iterator to a list, such that it will return now a list, and it will contain square of every element in this list. So this is it for map, and now we will discuss what is a split function. So split function returns a list of strings after breaking the given string by specified separator. So, and in split function the syntax is like we have string name dot split and separator and max split, and this max split is default maximum, and the separator is default space, empty space, and this max split also is the number of times we have to split the given string. So let's see this by an example. This is a given string 1_2 up to 5, and we have to extract all the digits from this string s. So we'll take l equals to s dot split, and we'll pass the separator. So here the separator is an underscore. If we print l, it will return a list of all the digits in this string, that, but yeah, it won't be converted to an int, it will still remain a string, so that you can see one is a character or a string in Python, both are same. All the elements in this list is string. So now let's see, if we pass max split parameter here equals to 2, then will split the given string by 2 times. So you can see this underscore is removed, and again this underscore is removed. Now let's see this using command prompt. Let's say s equals to we have to start Python, and now let's take s equals to 1_2, and we have a list l, and we have to split the given string by underscore, and the number of times we are splitting is 2. So now if we print l, it will return this list. So you can see 1, 2 and this substring. So if you want to split this using a space. You can see in between every integer or a digit there is a space. So we can simply pass space to the split function and will return every element as characters. And in most of the cases you will have these type of input, and we have to extract all the integers from this input. So now let's see, and we can also remove this extra space here, since in split function extra space is default, and so we can simply do this. And let's see this. So let's see this using Python. Now let's say s equals to 1 2 3 4 and 5, and now we have to split that string by space. So we have to pass nothing, since by default it takes an empty space. So now you can see all the digits are extracted, and we can see there is still string in this list, or you can say substring in this list, and we have to convert this string to int. So we can simply use this syntax for converting or for extracting int from space separated string. So let's see this. So s is same, and we have to convert all those integers in a list. So let's take n equals to list of map int and s, since s is already there, and we have to split s. So this will return a list of string, such that every element in that list is characters or substrings from s, such that the substrings are space separated. So it will contain, basically it will be this list, and we are passing or mapping every element in this list to int, and it will simply return n as int list, integer list. So if we take type of n0, then it will, you can see it's int type. So this is it for this video. For any doubt you can comment down below, and thanks for watching.